This is a 5.
I mainly pull these out because usually I'll have my tools sitting next to my barbecue. And when I pull the top off, I don't want these falling on my tools and breaking stuff.
Okay.
Put it up against the back.
Okay.
Top off. On top of this, right there. All your instructions are going to go right on top of there.
Okay.
Undo this. Go. Plastic off. Those out. Take them out. Set them there. Off to the side. Go here. Set that open. Open it up. Slide your barbecue over a little bit. Now, this first one's going to go over here. Then we're taking this guy out. I'm going to set this right here. All the way. Pull this out. I'll just pop it on my hip. Right there. Cut this open. Lock fingers. I'm going to take these out. I'm going to set them right there. And then upside down. And this way. That way to make a nice little, grab them, set them over there. There. Grab this one here, put it on top of that one. That can go there. Grab this one, set that on top of that one. Now it's all in a line, the way that I'm going to put it together. Like that. Move this to the side because I always open my screws last. Take that one out, set that right there. This one goes right here. Take this, slide it over there. Open this up. Right there. This guy here. That. Grab this by here. Pull it out. Try not to cut yourself. You will cut yourself on these if you're not careful. Pull all this out. This right here. Cut all the way down. Come on. Cut. Lose your screws. Just gotta take the plastic off of here, just like that. Pour the little screws on your table. The bolt or nut go in here. Freaking finger. Right there. Pull it back. freaking my thumbnail, I fit it down too far. That one there. We'll start here and then go down into here, get here, and then one here. Just like that. Take one more screw and just loosely get it on here like that so you can still move it. Set that to the side. I'm going to loosen this screw and then loosen this screw. And this can get flipped over. Pop right on there. It slides onto the front one and the back one. And I grab 3 more screws. Grab an extra screw in this. One on the end. One on the front. That, take that. Just like that, loosely. Loosen this one. Loosen that one. That one's already loose. Flip it over. Catch it on there. Got 4 of the big screws, just like that. Gotta go 1 in the back, 1 in the front, other side, 1 in the back. Screw. Slide down.
Yeah.
That. Grab the lid, close it down. Yeah. Just like that. Grab 1 screw. I'll bring this down just like that. Tighten that down. Tighten that down. Tighten the one in the front down. See that one?
Yeah, I got it.
Right there. Get this bottom one, and then you're going to grab 1 more screw, and you're going to put it in the top, back there. Just like that. And you're going to grab 1 more screw, into this side. Throw this screw in right here. Tighten that one. Tighten this one. Oh, come on. Left-handed. This off. Push this through. Pull the lid off of it. Take the nut off of it. Come on. Nut back on. I'm gonna grab the battery. Battery in. Put that on. Test it. Make sure it works. Good to go. That. I'm going to grab this, slide it right into there so it holds it for me. Grab 2 more small screws. One through there. Grab this. Oh. No, this facing towards the back. Put that back in there. I'm going to grab my 2 wheel slides like that, loosen all the screws on them. Just like this. Start with the side, and I do the inside of it, and this one, these 4 screws loosened. These 2. And I'm gonna grab this one, make sure it's got the grooves in it for your wheel side. Tighten that down, tighten that down. I start with this side because I'm right-handed and I don't want to have to use my left hand on the drill. Bring that in like that. Same, just using my right hand. Then I'll grab the one that has the R, one of these that has the R on it, because it's for the wheel side, because our propane's always on the right side at Home Depot.
Okay.
Almost always. I don't remember if there is any, but there might be one that it's different. And I'll take this, shove it in there so it stays.
Oh, excuse me.
I'll grab this side, same thing. I want my short screws on this side and my big screws on this side, opposite for this one. So that way when I set it down and I get everything assembled, I got these screws ready for me. So I'll show you why. So I'm loosening these. Come on. This, I make sure that the flat side, see how it's got this and this, flat side on this side, like that, drop it down, drop it in place, tighten that, this one, put it up there, 4 more screws.
Somewhat similar, but
side, and these are going on the opposite sides. They're going to be at the end. Okay. Grab this. That way I can just bring this over, throw that down. See how it's shaped? You got your V up here, and your V down here.
Okay.
You want the next real symbol on the bottom. Like this. Grab that in. Slide it into place. Start from the bottom. Work your way up. Tighten them all. This one in. Same thing. You put them in to the hole and slide it up.
Okay.
On both sides. That way I can use my thumb to hold it down into place. And like that. Make sure you pull the panels tight together so that there's not a gap. And I'll grab this. Make sure your screw hole is on this side. Just like that. Tighten that down. Come over with this, slide it into this little hole. I like to hook it up like that so that it stays in there. Screw, grab it, set it on its side. Grab this guy here, there's a hole here. Pop it into the hole, and then on the hole on the other side, there's a little key. Pop it in. Grab your wheels. Pop those on. 2 nuts. Nut on this side. Nut on this side. Grab your 13mm socket. Tighten them down. Grab your legs, your feet. Make sure that this is on the outside. Because if you put them in this way, it's just not going to look right. Pop that on. Pop that on. I'll take this, drop it down like that. Put my screwdriver back on the drill. Pull the barbecue top towards the bottom. Seat it into place. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. One screw here. One screw here. Other side. Grab the whole thing, pull it towards you. Grab the bottom, drop it down. Let the lid open so that it helps you. Set it, drop it down.
Oh yeah.
Take your extra screws, either keep them or toss them. Set that there. Grab this, put it in where it goes. Underneath. Grab this whole thing, slide it towards you, set it on here. Throw these in here.